Ever wished you could seamlessly blend your PayPal balance with your Amazon shopping spree? While Amazon doesn't directly accept PayPal as a payment method, don't let that stop your deal hunting. Today, we're unlocking clever workarounds to get your PayPal funds working for you on Amazon. Our first proven method is the PayPal Cash Card. If you have this physical or virtual card issued by PayPal, it functions like any other debit card. Simply add your PayPal Cash Card as a payment method to your Amazon account under your account, and then Payment Options. When you check out on Amazon, select this card as your preferred payment, and the funds will be drawn directly from your PayPal balance. Another effective strategy involves linking your PayPal to a bank account that you already use on Amazon first. Ensure your bank account is linked and verified with your PayPal account. Then, within your Amazon account's payment options, add the same bank account that's connected to your PayPal when you make a purchase on Amazon. You can then choose this bank account crucially. Before completing the purchase, set up your PayPal to fund this bank account. If it's running low, this indirect transfer allows your PayPal balance to cover the Amazon purchase. For those seeking more direct third-party solutions, several services act as intermediaries. These platforms often allow you to deposit money from your PayPal account to their service, which then issues you a virtual prepaid card or facilitates a direct Amazon payment on your behalf. Always research these third-party services thoroughly for security and fees before committing. They can provide another layer of flexibility for using your PayPal funds. By employing these smart techniques, you can effectively leverage your PayPal balance for all your Amazon shopping needs. Happy shopping!